Brain. The brain is often called the most complex thing in the universe. Imagine it as the control center of an airplane, where pilots manage everything. Similarly, the brain is the core of the central nervous system, controlling every part of the body. It processes nerve impulses, emotions, and thoughts. Despite making up less than 5% of the body's weight, the brain uses almost 25% of its energy. The brain has two halves, the right and left hemispheres. It also has three main parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum, the largest part, controls movement and regulates temperature. The cerebellum helps with balance, and the brainstem manages vital functions like breathing and sleep. Without the brain, the body cannot function. Heart. If the brain is the control center, the heart is the engine. Like an airplane's engine powers the plane, the heart pumps blood to keep the body running. It has four chambers, two upper chambers, atria, and two lower chambers, ventricles. Blood flows into the right atrium, moves to the right ventricle, and travels to the lungs to get oxygen. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium and left ventricle, then is pumped to the rest of the body. Lungs. The lungs are like the fuel station for the heart's engine. They extract oxygen from the air we breathe and transfer it to the blood. Without lungs, the blood couldn't carry oxygen to other organs, leading to organ failure. Amazingly, the surface area of the lungs used for gas exchange is as large as a tennis court, yet they fit perfectly inside the chest. Liver. The liver is the body's chemical factory. It converts nutrients into energy, filters blood from the digestive system, and produces bile for digestion. It also makes proteins for blood clotting and helps remove toxins. Remarkably, the liver can regenerate itself, even if 75% of it is removed. It holds about 20% of the body's blood at any time, making it vital for overall health. Kidneys. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs located near the back, just above the hips. They filter waste from the blood, turning it into urine. Each kidney has tiny filtration units called nephrons. While we have two kidneys, one is enough to keep the body functioning. This is why people can donate a kidney and still live healthily. Spleen. The spleen, located in the upper abdomen, is like the body's filter. It removes old blood cells and foreign substances, ensuring only healthy blood circulates. Think of it as an air filter in a car, keeping the system clean and running smoothly. Gallbladder. The gallbladder is a small, pear-shaped organ located near the liver. It stores bile, which helps digest fats. While not vital, a malfunctioning gallbladder can cause gallstones, leading to severe pain and digestive issues. Pancreas. The pancreas, found in the upper abdomen, has two key roles. As an exocrine gland, it produces enzymes to digest food. As an endocrine gland, it releases insulin, which regulates blood sugar levels and prevents diabetes. The pancreas is crucial for energy and metabolism. Stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ responsible for breaking down food. It uses enzymes like pepsin to digest proteins into amino acids. The stomach also stores food mixed with digestive juices, called chyme, before passing it to the intestines. The stomach expands and shrinks depending on how much food you eat, but its size doesn't determine a person's weight. Intestines. The intestines are long tubes that digest food and absorb nutrients. The small intestine handles most digestion and absorption, while the large intestine removes waste and absorbs water. Food is broken down in the small intestine, then turned into waste, which travels through the large intestine before being excreted. Skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, covering and protecting everything inside. It regulates temperature, produces vitamin D, and shields us from harm. The skin has three layers: the outer epidermis, the middle dermis, and the subcutaneous fat. Skin color depends on melanin, a pigment that protects against the sun's rays. Eyes. The eyes are our windows to the world. They capture light and send signals to the brain, which interprets them as images. This process makes vision possible. The eyes remain the same size from birth to death and rely on light to function. Ears. Ears detect sound and help maintain balance. They capture sound waves, sending them to the brain for interpretation. Deep within, a system connects the ears, eyes, and muscles to keep the body balanced. Fun fact: ears are self-cleaning, and earwax protects them from dryness and infections. Tongue. The tongue is both a sensory and muscular organ. It helps us taste, chew, and swallow food. It also plays a vital role in speaking by helping form sounds. Additionally, the tongue keeps the airway open, aiding in breathing. Reproductive organs. Reproductive organs differ between males and females. In males, the testes produce sperm and testosterone, responsible for muscle growth and other traits. In females, the ovaries produce eggs and hormones like estrogen and progesterone. These organs are essential for reproduction and hormone balance.